Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board from 19.2. 45-foot wire is to brace a utility pole. So here's the wire, here's the utility pole. If the wire is attached 4 feet from the top of a 35-foot pole, so the pole's total 35 feet, but you're coming down 4 foot to attach the wire. You're not attaching it at the top. So that leaves you 31 feet here to the bottom of the pole. How far from the base of the pole will the wire be attached? So we're assuming this is flat ground, so this will be a right angle. So you have a right triangle where the hypotenuse is 45, one of the sides is 31, and you want to find the unknown side. So Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse is 45, the longest side, one of the legs is 31, you want to find the other leg. So you plug the numbers into it. Subtract 31 squared from each side. I put that in a calculator, got 1064. Take the square root of it, and we get the answer that I see up there. Hope this helps.